In this video, I'm going to show you how to change Gmail or your Google account phone number. Now, this is pretty simple, and the only thing that you'll have to do is head over here to google.com and your profile specifically, and then we're going to click manage your Google account. And then from here, we're going to head over to personal info, and then just scroll down to the contact info here, and there you go. So there is your phone. Go ahead and click that over there. And from here, you can actually set up another phone number. So you can go ahead and click this one right here. And then once you see this option right here, you have the two options. We have those that are already in here. Basically, you have used this in your previous transactions, which is why it's appearing here. In my case, I'm just going to go ahead and use or click next, and then I can go ahead and basically enter the phone number here. Afterwards, I can tap next, and yeah, that's just basically it. It's going to be very simple, and I'm going to go ahead and run you through the process. All right, there you go. Now I'm able to enter this phone number here. I can then go ahead and select the old one. And after selecting the old one, I can go ahead and tap the delete button here, and it's just going to remove my number. And now we are left with my main mobile number. And yeah, that's basically how it goes, everybody. Thanks for watching, and I hope this video helps you out. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Also, let me know in the comments how it helped you.